Today I'm going to teach you how to add job alerts on LinkedIn. This is a fantastic way to stay updated on new opportunities that match your interests without having to manually search every day. Let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to your browser and type in linkedin.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're using the account where you want to receive these job notifications, as they'll be tied specifically to that profile. After you've successfully logged in, take a look at the top of your screen. You'll notice a search bar sitting prominently at the top of the page. This is where all the magic begins. Click on that search bar to activate it, and now you're ready to start looking for the type of job you're interested in. Go ahead and type in the job title or keywords related to the position you're searching for. This could be anything from marketing manager to software engineer or whatever field you're pursuing. Hit enter or click the search icon to proceed. LinkedIn will then show you a list of available positions that match your search criteria. Now scroll down to the bottom of the search results page. Here's where you'll find a really useful feature. Look for the text that says "Get job alerts for this search." This option is designed to save you time by automatically notifying you whenever new jobs matching your search are posted on LinkedIn. Right next to that text, you'll see a toggle button. This is the switch that activates the job alerts feature. Simply click on that toggle button to turn it on. You'll notice the button changes to indicate that it's now active, meaning LinkedIn will start sending you notifications about relevant job postings. And just like that, you've successfully set up job alerts on LinkedIn. From now on, whenever a new job matching your search appears, LinkedIn will notify you either through email or app notifications depending on your settings. This keeps you in the loop without having to constantly check the platform yourself. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.